Hello there, and happy cold weather cancellation day after my Trig class. As you guys know, of course, with the schools being closed on the day we were planning on taking a test, we're going to just have to take the test the next time we meet, which is going to be on Monday. In the meantime, we have to have a virtual class day to make this up. We don't have to do it right this second, but I'm going to make half of it what I'm about to show you, okay? I have an activity for you. I apologize, my kid is throwing toys behind me. All right, I'm going to show you something I want you to do. You're going to go to the class resource on MyIvy. I'm going to show you. We're going to go over to MyIvy, and we're going to get logged in. Hold on here. Okay. And if you then go to, let's see here, along the left-hand side, as you have other classes you've probably done before, you're going to go to Ivy Learn. And I guess I have to give my credentials again. Hold on. All right. And from there, okay. You now should have a card here for Trig. When you look across the bottom here, other Ivy Tech classes you have should be here. If for some reason there aren't cards on your dashboard here like this, like I can see here's Trig, you can always just get it from courses as well. You could pick it up off of here. But whichever way you want to do it, you should go there. All right, so you're going to be going to the class page. Here's the deal. I made a little online activity for you guys, but it only works in Canvas, which is what MyIvy is. I couldn't make it work in It's Learning. So what you're going to do then, and I'm going to switch myself over here to student view so that it looks like what when a student takes it rather than when I take it. And I'm going to reset the student to a fresh copy. Okay, so this should be what your view of it looks like. And when you go to the class, there's only one thing. Chapter 4, practice for test 1, for the chapter 4 test, whatever. And if you go to there, there's going to be a little 10 question quiz. A little 10 question quiz that you are allowed to take as many times as you want, and I will keep the best grade of it. Each time you take it is going to change the numbers in the quiz. Let me show you what's going to happen here. If I go to take the quiz, and it's loading, hold on, there we go. You'll see that there are 10 little questions that look awfully familiar from chapter 4 of the class, but they have numbers in here that will change. Now I'm going to just go ahead and put lousy answers to each of these questions here. All right, so let me just put them in because I want to show you what happens when you submit then. All right, so you're going to actually solve these problems here. Notice that it always tells you like how many decimal places to give me and all that kind of stuff. I'm just going to put some crappy answers in all of these though, just to show you what's going to happen here. Now, obviously, I won't have gotten any of the questions right. Well, once you have them all done, and you think you have good answers to everything, you'll hit Submit. And what's going to happen here is it will tell you that, like in this case, my current score was 0 out of 10, and my kept score is 0 out of 10. In other words, that's the best I've done so far. And I could take the quiz as many times as I want. I'll take the quiz again. And when it loads back up here, these numbers are different. Okay, it's the same problems but different numbers in them. And you are welcome to take this. You are encouraged to take this as many times as possible. You have to take it at least once between now and the test on Monday. But if you can take it 3 times, if you can take it 5 times, if you can take it 20 times, it'll keep making more numbers. I will keep the best grade you got. If you have any questions about any of the problems, obviously just let me know. It could also be that something's broken. I may not have done all this quite right. I haven't programmed like this in Canvas in a long time. But anyway, this is not everything that's on your test, but if you can master these 10 questions, you're going to do great on the test, okay? It'll be a great way to help you prepare. There's more on the test than this, but this will be a great way to help you prepare. All right, please let me know if you have any questions or any trouble accessing any of these materials, and I look forward to seeing all hundreds on this by Monday morning. Thanks.